Hey everybody, it's Bobby here filling in for my mom Paula again today, and I am doing one of her recipes. This is a classic Paula Deen recipe that is going to help you feed your family quickly and easily and really not very expensively. It is a chicken Alfredo pasta bake, and this is a great idea. I'm starting out by cooking my rigatoni pasta, and it's been going for a few minutes, and it's only got maybe 1 or 2 minutes left. And in the last couple of minutes, I'm going to add in some broccoli. Broccoli florets, excuse me, broccoli florets for about 2 minutes with my pasta that's pretty much ready. And then we're gonna drain this really, really well. So I've got my broccoli tucked in there. About 2 minutes here on the stove, we'll drain it. So we'll go ahead and take a break right now and come right back. So my rigatoni and broccoli combination has come together nicely, and we've drained it. So I'm just going to toss it back into the pot we cooked it in, and then I'm going to whisk together all of these ingredients over here, and this is going to come together as just a nice dump and stir is what we would call it. It's going to save you tons of time and energy, and your family is really going to like it. And this is a great way to sneak some vegetables into those dishes for the killers if you struggle like I do. Okay, so we're going to combine together Alfredo sauce, ricotta cheese, sour cream, bell pepper, heavy cream, and some eggs and shredded chicken. I'm going to start with the eggs and go ahead and whisk them and add everything else to it. Eggs, heavy cream.
Alfredo sauce.
This is going to be a very rich and delicious dish. And if you got a family and you have to put dinner on the table every night, if you can save steps and time, I'm all for it. And kids, we were just talking about this a few minutes ago. I've got triplet 6-year-olds, and man, have they become picky. I was just telling Ed and Teresa that it used to be that I would put dinner on the table and be like, hey, here it is. But I'm discovering now as they get older, it's like, Dad, I want you to make me, bleh. I want you to make me, and then I want you to make me, something different. So, kind of miss the days when I could just put whatever on the table I felt like cooking. As they get older, they become more opinionated and they have choices and all kinds of stuff. And school is almost out. Ricotta cheese. So that's going to be about 12 weeks of madness. But they're awesome. That ricotta cheese is thick. This is chicken Alfredo pasta bake, and this comes from At the Southern Table by my mother, Paula Deen. One of her many great books.
Yeah, we haven't cooked out of that one in a while.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I know I haven't. Coming together nicely. So that's my Alfredo, ricotta, eggs, heavy cream. Add sour cream to the party.
Some bell pepper.
And last but not least, our shredded chicken. Chicken and pasta together, I love. Chicken Alfredo. I love Alfredo sauce too. Stir that chicken in really well and make sure that the sauce coats it. And then we'll add this to our pasta and broccoli combination in the pot over there. Give it a nice stir and then into a casserole dish. Here we go. I hope my vessel is big enough to hold it all and that I can stir it, and I think it's gonna just make it. All right, now I don't want to tear up my pasta or my broccoli, so I'm gonna fold this together. We talk about that a lot. Don't want to tear it to shreds. And make sure that it's all still pretty when we dig into it a little bit later. That looks very, very good. Really, it smells good. And I think that's pretty well combined. Some nice colors too. The broccoli with the red pepper and that creamy white sauce. That's really nice looking. Okay, I think I might have a mess if I try to just dump it all into the casserole dish, so I'm gonna spoon some out first. Well, the last thing we're gonna do is add some mozzarella cheese to the top, but before we do, let's go ahead and pop it in the oven now and get a nice brown to our dish, and then we'll come back and add the mozzarella in just a few minutes. So to the oven we go. Okay, our pasta dish has been in the oven for about 30 minutes. It's got a nice brown color to it, you can see, and we're just gonna top it with mozzarella cheese, which happens to be one of my favorite cheeses. But you know what? I like just about any cheese. Mozzarella is a nice choice for this dish. I don't think I'm going to need the whole package, just enough to for the thaw. If my mom heard me say I didn't need the whole package, I think she would take it from me and use the whole pack. But I think that looks cute. Okay, so let's pop it back in the oven. A few more minutes and it will be ready. So our chicken Alfredo pasta bake is out of the oven. We just finished it off with a little mozzarella cheese for a few minutes on top, and it looks magnificent. So let's see how it cuts and tastes. It's lasagna-like. And remember, this is very, very flexible spatula. Just get out this corner. Ooh. Oof. Ooh, boy, does that look creamy and thick. Make sure I got a little bit of cheeky. Let's see. Broccoli, chicken, pasta, bell pepper. I got a little bit of everything. Let's see. Oh, and it's hot too. Ooh, Teresa. Very good. Chicken Alfredo pasta bake with mozzarella. That is fantastic. It's a it's a kind of just a dump and stir. Really simple. We cooked the pasta first, added a little bit of broccoli to it in the last 5 or 10 minutes or so. And mixed up our chicken and all of our wet ingredients together, and then combined them right into the casserole dish. and about 30 minutes in the oven, and you have dinner. So very, very good. Enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.